All right, guys, 2018 Mustang GT50. It's got a cam in it, a light cam, 350 intake. It's got a bunch of different stuff done to it, little mods here and there. He's about to boost it next, so. But what we done on it, so it's got long tube headers there and there. And we just added 2 high flow cats on it for him, right there and right there. Then it's got X-Pipe, SLP loudmouths. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then it continues 2.5 all the way back. And it's got dual pipes out the back, quads, if you want to call them. We're there and there. As you guys can see. Really nice build. There it is. Very sexy car. Love the blue color on it. One of my favorite colors. So, looks really nice, really clean. So we just added the high flow cats on it. So we said we're going to do a video for you guys, let you hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Man, that sounds mean. That sounds really nice. That sounds wow. Here's sound decibels. Right at 120. That sounds mean. That sounds mean, man. You feel it? You guys feel it in your chest. I wish you were here to hear it. Man, wow. Sounds really nice. What do you guys think of this sound? I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside.